Alright, guys. So today I am actually doing two things. I'm outside. I'm going to meet up with Robbie, DJ Heat, and we're gonna make some beats again. And also, we're gonna work on the intro for my song. We're gonna make the intro. We're gonna make a beat for the intro for my Pickles and Gaijin, Jamaican YouTuber. You see. So yeah, let's go. We're gonna eat some food and thing and so it's a little vlog. You know what I mean? Got my hair done. Birthday shoes, Adidas NMDs. You know what I mean? Out on country. Look at this punk. Look at this punk. Spending cash. KFC time.
Don't tell me this.
KFC.
当店ポンタカードなんですけど。
はい。
This nigga is fluent in Japanese.
はい、すいません。ありがとうございます。カードお返しします。
日本語先輩ですね。
ポンタカード。
ポンタカード no?
So over 10 years at this card,
So what did you get? Have you gotten anything from it?
Yeah, just spend the points off it,
Oh, okay.
Just when you can spend them. That's lazy.
So out here in Suga, getting some food before we go to the studio. And me, mate. Vlogging, quarantine.
Lockdown food.
KFC, hallelujah, hallelujah. KFC. It's not Jamaican KFC, but it have to do. It will have to do. What is that? Dun 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 dun.
Not gonna do that.
Dun, dun, dun. Load up the Kingston drums, my G. Got a thing off heavy. Bombo not star. Yeah, man, I tell you, the drum them off heavy. Like how my belly big, the gun them off heavy. You see it? You see how the man, you think a joke thing, you think a chat is?
Big belly gunshot.
Big belly gunshot. Watch the man trying to play the guitar now, watch him.
I'm not gonna try. I used to play when I was at junior high school, but I forgot everything.
So that's nice. This man's sexy. Bam 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 biggie bam 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 bam.
Try playing it. Liquor it. Just ship it half up. You know what? Maybe I should try with the MPs.
Whoa, people, the essentials reach, This is what you can leave your house for. Abbe says, leave your house for essentials. The essentials, trouble, dead.
Alcohol kills corona.
Alcohol kills corona. Yes, People, there's some. They deal with heat now. Heat said we're having drinks in. Alright, cool, watch your style, see? Pouring out rum. So me I looking at see, I was in Japan a long time. Man say, yo, drinks mixer. This is a parfait spoon, see? Really Japanese, but they're Japan tour.
Drinks mixer.
Oh, this must be drinks. There's a parfait spoon. People in the comments down below tell me, is it a parfait spoon?
Yo.
The man bring. Ready, Bob?
Nah, man. Alright, good to go. Alright.
Martin, that was a big intro, exclusive. DJ Eat, Don Dre, you don't know how the thing go. Studio vibes, standing.
Hold on. We just make another one then.
Japanese is of death. When you're there for more than 10 years, that's why you sound every time you talk English or Japanese. Andre, man, let me tell you something. I don't know, you know. I'm like, what is wrong with this Japanese is of death connoisseur? But just dep on them things that is a standard, mate.
But that door, man.
They are Japan too long. Man, so like a jam air tire pressure pump at the gas station. Or people say bacon spray. They're gonna vibe. Let's go. Huh?
Still already sound like it's on the beat fully.
What? Hold on. No, that part is not going to be the beat with a cut.
Yeah, I know.
But you just wanted that three, those three.
Cut these snares off actually, because
No, that was just for you. I guess
Yeah,
you were giving me. The shaker. You have the shaker or not a clap? You have a shaker? No. This. Ooh, wait, what's that? Ooh, it's my very well. What you doing over there, Robbie?
Yeah. You see that sounds alright, man? I don't know about that.
Well, that's how I'm back. I don't want to listen to my back. A chubby.
I don't know about that, no, man.
No, done. One more, double. So nasty. Have a vibe. Yeah, doubling sound. Ooh. Yes, that is it. That is it, Robbie. Copy that bit. No, but the last one. The last one. Copy that, Robbie, matey.
Alright, man. Hold on.
Jamaican YouTuber. I think I want a heavier drum though. Like a 808 bass, like a dum. Get that Jamaican feel still in it. You know that? Oh, this is a Jamaican percussive vibe, you know. It's like the way for you know me?
Yeah.
Stay to my roots.
I'm just find drum kit because
Heavy.
my own.
Want a heavy drum kit to beat up the thing. You see me with their people with their work on a chicken with a jerk. Please tell me what you think about the beat so far. Down below in the description. Is it? Pega's a guy, Jamaican YouTuber. Let's go. Pega's a guy, Jamaican YouTuber. Ikima show. Let's go. I for double it. Alright, here we go. Alright, listen, I'm not a UK rapper, but I can grind it out. Listen, I'm not skeptic, but I'm timed out. I'm a bit skeptical of all these people rolling around me. I'm friends of enemies, I'm a friends of enemies, friend of enemies. My friends who are my enemies are my enemies are my friends. Listen, I want to flow like those people from my sense. Look at me, I run on through like the River Thames. Lockdown countries, lockdown borders, call me coronavirus. I ain't no disappointer. The Toyota made the Corona car, but who made the coronavirus? Is it human man-made stuff on a virus? Listen, rise from the dead like Lazarus. Flow sick and high, but give me happiness. Touched by God, that's the thing I got. Spirit made, homemade niggas with a coke pot. Listen, I put the food in the pot, get my peas, make my money. Girls love me, easy. I'm talking about peas like the pounds, not the peas in the pod, mate. You get me? Listen, the podcast is here, the podcast is live. The time is now, the revolution time now. Oh, YouTubers, let me tell you about these YouTubers quick. Yo, most of them YouTubers fake, they can't keep in the bright. They don't know what come through. I'm gonna beat them at their wake. I don't need to see them alive because I know they're gonna be like, what is wrong with this wild man here? Man, phone drop, but it don't matter. Flow continue, flow upon this like a quiver. Sailing on, smelling smooth sailing rivers. Listen, cranberry rum in cups, kibby cups, red party stuff. Listen, you get it? Red party, like reading, yeah? The passage of red is 7:30. How can you be red at 7:30? 8:30, 9:30, 9:30 late. I'm 8:30 time, 8:30 great. I'm the best fit. Whoa! Pickles a guy, Jamaican YouTuber. Let's go. Pickles a guy, Jamaican YouTuber. Icky my show. Jamaican YouTuber. You know, sister song done, my youth? Yeah, onto the video.